girl, so welcome to my YouTube channel. So welcome to again one of the most requested videos that you guys have been requesting from really long time. If you don't know, I have been on like an acne journey, I would say. I will try to find a picture, तो मुझे लगता नहीं है मेरे पास होगी, but फिर भी I will try and will insert somewhere here. And basically, first of all, the information that you need to watch this video is I am combination skin type, and a quick disclaimer, some things work for me, some things work for you. It's not important कि मेरा acne इससे चला गया तो आपका भी चला जाएगा. It just you can just patch test first, I would say, क्योंकि acne prone skin बहुत sensitive होती है, and I don't have acne prone skin. I have combination skin which is more onto like kind of oily side, I would say. Like my T-zone is really oily, but my cheek area is dry. So yes, I haven't faced like severe acne in my life, and suddenly out of nowhere, I faced a lot of acne issues onto my cheek area, basically onto my cheek area, and they were not like ordinary acne. They were like blisters, which is like what do you call it, blister? Hindi में you say it pus, जो pus भर जाती है like दानों में. It was like that, and it was extremely painful, and I don't know that how I beared that. But मैंने बहुत कुछ try किया, बहुत कुछ किया, and ये products मेरे लिए actually work करे, and तभी अब मेरी थोड़ी clear skin है. Like अभी भी थोड़े बहुत marks वगैरह हैं, which is like I don't know, मैं अभी पास 3-4 दिन से breakout हो रही हूँ. I don't know why. उससे पहले touch wood it was like a clear skin. And you guys ask a lot about my skincare routines and all that stuff, but this was the routine that I have been following when I was facing acne. So yes, without enough of blabbering, we should get into the routine and show you what magic ingredients, what magic products worked for me. And the most like powerful ingredient to reduce my acne was just ₹60. So you gotta watch it, you gotta watch the video till halfway or end to know that what product it was. So yes, if you want to know that what this routine will look like, then please keep on watching. Okay, so let's get started with the routine. First of all, I wash my face. Okay, I have removed my makeup because I have shown this a lot of times that how I remove my makeup. But मैंने एक change किया था अपने acne routine में, that I skipped on to cleansing oils. I do like cleansing oils, but मैं बहुत कम use कर रही थी. I switched up onto micellar waters. I have like a quick 1-minute video on my Instagram. Like I uploaded it recently, that how I remove my makeup. I will link it in the description. It's like a quick 1-minute video. I would love to watch it. So the first thing that I do is obviously wash my face after removing my makeup. So this is my second tube, and this is the simple refreshing facial wash. This is how it looks like. I freaking love this facial wash. Yeah, it's super gentle on the skin. Like if you have sensitive skin, this will be your best friend, trust me. ये मेरी second tube है, and मैं आज पहली बार इसको use करूँगी. I have totally finished up my first tube. So let's wet our face and use this baby. And I'm gonna take like a good amount. First of all, it's gel based. I really like gel based face washes. So yeah. The one thing that I have learned in the past few months, I would say, that massage this for 60 seconds for best results. It will clean out your face really well. It will take out all the gunk from your face. So do that for 60 seconds. Go on to each area, massage it. I will quickly wash my face and we'll get back. Okay, so my face is all clean. Okay, on to the second step. Okay, I'm a huge fan of scrubs. I know you will say that the granules are really harsh and all that stuff. Despite of all that, I see a really nice visible difference. So I continue doing my scrubbing, but that doesn't mean that I don't peeling gels or the chemical exfoliant thing. I do use them, and I skipped onto that acne routine, my scrubs. I switched on to completely chemical exfoliators like this one. The second design, a springy peeling gel tuna boost. I really enjoy this. Like, this has been my only scrubber chemical exfoliator at that time, so yes, we'll use it today. It's really like I really like it. Like, it makes my skin super smooth, like super duper smooth. Make sure to do it on dry face. Just massage it for a couple of minutes. Like, can you see? Now I will quickly wash my face and we'll be right back. Okay, so my face is all clean. Now the part you guys have been waiting for. The mask that literally changed my life, that literally reduced these acne scars and all that jazz. So this is not a DIY, but I like to make it like a mixed cocktail. So these are Patanjali face masks. The first one is the multani mitti one, and the second one is the neem aloe vera one. I love these, like I freaking love these. They reduced my acne. Like, मैं literally इसको daily use करने लग गई थी, but I won't suggest you to daily. Do it like 3-4 times a week, so it will really help you. So what I do, I like a good generous amount. Then I take the Patanjali multani mitti. Like, mostly I like to take equal amount, and then I like to mix a little bit of rose water in it. Not much, little bit. And so that my skin doesn't feel dry, I like to add 2 drops of any facial oil. Taking this Good Vibes Argan facial oil, and 3-4 drops. Now I like to mix it really nicely. Like, इसको mix करना बहुत easy है, like बहुत easy. Like, थोड़ा सा मिलाओ and ये mix हो जाता है. This is how the consistency looks like. I like to wet my brush with any mist, toner, whatever, and then go in with the mask. So I'll start painting my face with mask. Like, it's not really thick, so that's great. मैं oil सिर्फ इसीलिए डालती हूँ ताकि acne से कभी-कभी ये भी होता है, मुझे होता है कि मेरी skin ना वहाँ से peel होने लगती है, तो वो बहुत dry हो जाती है. So I like to do the step of adding oil. I know this video was asked by so many of you guys, and मैंने इसको बहुत delay कर दिया because I really want to clear my skin. फिर मेरी हो गई, फिर मैं quarantine हो गया. I focused on another content. So yeah, sorry for delaying this helpful video. Okay, so now we'll keep this for 10 to 15 minutes and we'll wash this off and we'll be right back. Okay, washed up my face, and how good this face is looking. Frankly, I have applied this mask after so long. Like, I have not really facing this acne issue, so I was not really using this mask, but oh my god, my skin looks so good, so refreshed, right? After that, I like to use toner. I'm taking this Nelf aqueous toner, and you can take any, you can take rose water, anything. Ton loads of toner to refresh your skin and to hydrate your skin as well. After that, for serums, this has been really working good for me, for my acne scars and all. Klairs freshly juiced vitamin C drop and the Innisfree green tea seed serum. I love this combination. This combination is so good, you guys. What I do, I take like one, or I would say 1 pump only of this and 3 drops of the vitamin C one. Vitamin C is really good. It helps in acne scars and whatnot. So after this, I really like to hydrate my under eye as well. So I will be taking up this Farsali under eye cream. I've been really liking this one. It has like really brightening up properties, so it really does that. I know it's a wrong finger. Okay, then I will be taking up this Pond's Light Moisturizer Savior. Like, पता नहीं मैंने इसको use करना कम कर दिया थोड़ा, but I love this moisturizer. This moisturizer is my staple. Like, मैं अभी भी इसको use करती हूँ ना, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि wow, like what they have done with this moisturizer. You guys know my love for this, right? This is my second or third tub probably. एंड इस बार मैंने बड़ा ही ले लिया क्योंकि मुझे पता था कि मैं छोटा इसलिए ले रही थी कि मैं ताकि अपने और मॉइस्चराइजर्स भी यूज़ कर सकूं, बट मैं मानती नहीं हूँ ना. आई use truckloads of moisturizer because your girl is all about hydration. I know it's looking a lot, but we massage this off. After that, I will just hydrate my lips, which is very, very important in any skincare routine. Okay, so as a last step, I usually like to use a facial oil or a facial spray. I've been avoiding facial oils a little bit, but whenever my skin feels dry, what I like to do, I like to take my moisturizer and take 2-3 drops on my fingertips, warm it off and pat it off. But today I will use a facial spray because I think that works great in summers and it just refreshes your face, it locks everything and does the job, I think. I really like this Miniso one. I'm almost over. It has been more than 1 year and I've been using it continuously. So that's that for today's video. I hope this video helped you guys, and if any remedy helped you, like if any product helped you, my work is done. This has been a really effective regimen for me from reducing my acne. This worked top notch for me, so that's why I thought of sharing it with you guys, and you guys wanted me to share it as well. So that's that for today's video, and please do post some recommendations or something that you want to see more on my channel. I would love to record what you are wishing for. So yes, that's that for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram because I share some really different content over there. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in my next one. Bye bye.